One sunny morning, on a meadow full of flowers, a little girl named Mila sat under a big tree. As she looked up at the sky, she noticed a bird landing on a branch. "One little bird," Mila said cheerfully. But soon, another bird flew down and landed beside the first one. "Now there are two little birds." Mila raised her fingers to show the number 2. As Mila kept counting, 3 more birds came fluttering to the branch, chirping happily. "Now there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5." Mila counted carefully, showing each number with her fingers. The birds were very playful and decided to find more friends. Before long, 4 more birds flew to the branch. "Now there are 9. 5 and 4 make 9, Mila exclaimed excitedly. Finally, 1 more bird flew in and joined its friends on the branch. "Now there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 10, Mila said proudly, counting out loud. The birds chirped and played together on the branch, and Mila was overjoyed to have counted them all. As the sun began to set, the birds slowly flew home one by one. Mila counted them as they left. 10, 9, 8, 7. Mila counted backward until only 1 little bird remained. "One little bird is the last one left, but now it's flying home too," Mila said, waving goodbye as the bird flew away.